Hello everyone! Today I am opening with you and trying for the very first time a cool little magnetic slider called the YULI by LINO EDC. As you can see, EDC Ice Cream Cat 2024, YULI on the box, LINO EDC is the company, QR code here. Very cool cat design. I won't lie, I'm more of a dog person, but hey, it is what it is. Very cool. Like, do it like here. Okay, so this is how I do it. Let's flip it open. You have no idea how traumatic that is for me. Just tearing it up like this. Holy. But everything will be fine. Hopefully. That's enough for now. All the disheveled pieces. But anyway. Cool. Styrofoam colorful packing peanuts. Very cool. Now, even though I couldn't find any information about it other than a Chinese seller, this should be a stainless steel version of this. Oh, LINO EDC, very cool cat, very cool. LINO, very cool stickers. Put them here. And let's see. I have here some steel balls. I wonder why. It's supposed to be a slider. Anyway, this is it. Another cool sticker, and the rest is just packing peanuts. So put it to the side. So let's do it like a band-aid. So here it is. I will of course zoom in for your viewing pleasure. The LINO, if you can see it. Little cat paw. Should be very basic but cool little slider. Stainless steel. Couldn't find it online, just for the Chinese sellers. Every site is only polished zirconium. This is a newer iteration in stainless steel. So let's try it. I will zoom out. Let's try it. That was nice. I want to zoom in on some of the details because really good, really nice design. I liked it. Here you can see cat face, cat bell, and the paw. And on the other side, I don't need to, fish and YULI. Very cool details. And the snappiness is amazing. Man, it's so snappy. I love it. Very good weight. And although I usually prefer bigger fidgets, it's like it likes the perfect. I don't know what I can. You know what? Just a second. Size comparison with the Aura. Very, very close, because the Aura is a free slider, so it's a little taller, but this is way, way heavier and chunkier, and this is the stainless steel Aura, so this is the heavier model, not the titanium one. Man, it just works, man, it just works. Not too loud. I'll just put it here and put the Aura away for a second. That's it. Not too loud at all. I will be quiet, so. Man, I'm so happy I have it. I love simple, basic sliders. I don't know. It's the same motion, but there's something satisfying about it. And yes, absolutely recommended. And I have what is known in the in the fidgeting world, or how I like to call it. I have a sports thumb, so kind of a big thumb. My wife used to say that if I ever get nail polish, they will charge the heck out of me because of this thumb. So it's big enough for my thumb, which is awesome, I have to say. And now I don't think I have specifically larger hands than average. I'm not a huge guy. Some more details, just a second. So, very, very nice details. Everything, the cat, the magnets are the eyes, and the little bell here, and the paw. And once again, you just need to open it and see the fish, the YULI. Very, very cool. Excellent, excellent purchase. Sorry. And a wonderful addition to my collection. That's so nice. And maybe the balls can help you play with the settings a little. So I will just zoom and we'll put this here. This was the YULI magnetic slider by LINO EDC. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful little slider, and not so little, like good size, good size. And thank you for watching. I hope it helped you somewhat watching this review of mine. As always, thank you again for watching, and I will hopefully see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.